I'll at least try to make sure it's not my fault if we do end up in one. Thinking about it?
Sure. Ah, there's a chair in the road.
Sure, we can get to, oh my god, there is.
Oh, yeah, Truck's gonna hit it. Truck's gonna
Manual
hit it.
recording
Shit.
will now start.
Ooh, god damn. Ford Explorer. Y'all need to...
Manual recording.
Like the wood pistol bullets are quite devastating. Okay, that is going to be it for the pistol rounds.
What the fuck are you doing?
Move on to
American brass worker from Cambridge, and towards the end of the race he, like all of the other runners, was severely exhausted, dehydrated. Did a higher level of privilege at the company, but to get this privileged access he had to go through a backbench into his car where they found some floppy disks that he left over. I guess that Kevin must have overlooked them.
What the fuck
while
is this
he
guy
was
doing?
Complex web of factors contribute to this issue. Economic dependence on just a few industries, limited access to quality education.
Someone lost it.